Okay, boys and girls, we are on page 163 this week of your writing tablet. So take out page 163 of lesson 135 of seat work for writing. We're going to practice writing. Remember, whenever you write, I don't want you to rush through. I want you to take your time. The reason why we have writing is because you're practicing your penmanship skills. So I want to see that you know how to, number one, write your sentences using a capital letter, a finger space, and properly writing your letters in the right spots. I don't want to see sloppy work, okay? So let's begin. Write your name at the top of the page like you normally would. And then we're going to begin with house number 1. Let's review. Remember, in each house we have an upstairs, a downstairs, and a basement. We usually want to only stay upstairs unless we have special letters like a G that does go down in the basement. So let's begin. I'm going to write my sentence. Let's read what we're writing first. I see a big fish, period. So let's write, I see a big fish. I'm going to write my capital I starting at the dot. Give myself a finger space and then begin the word see. Then another finger space and a finger space, big, finger space, fish, period. Don't forget your punctuation marks. Now we're going to write it on our own down here in house number 2. We're going to follow the same rules. Capital letter, finger space, C, finger space, A, finger space, big, finger space, fish. Okay, period. Once we write our sentences, we move on to the next house. Okay, the next house says, it will splash, period. You're going to do the same thing using your finger spaces, writing nice and neatly. And then you're going to flip the page and work on page 164. Page 164 says, Rick will dive. Rick will dive. Tom will just play. Okay, so Rick is going to dive into the water and Tom is just going to play in the water. After you've completed your sentences, your mom and dad will check your work and you'll get to color in the picture. Good job, boys and girls. Keep working hard.